Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another reading for you. This is going to be a you and yours reading, Libra. This is you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. Yes, this could be a lover, could be an ex, could be your mother in law, could be your parents, could be your child, your boss, your neighbors, whoever's affecting your energy the most at this time, Libra, and how you can deal with it. And yes, just deal with it. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin with our Ganesha Oracle card and see what advice Lord Ganesha has for you to deal with this energy that you're dealing with. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you from this reading and leave the rest, okay? So let's begin. Lord Ganesha, a blessing or an advice for my Libra gang about this energy who's affecting them and how they can deal with it. A blessing or an advice from you. Okay, let's take one from our angels as well. Blessing or an advice for my Libra. Blessing or an advice card, my angels for Libra. So Lord Ganesha is pointing me to this one and my angels this one. Let's put the rest back, Libra. Let's see what is in store for you. So the card I get for you from Lord Ganesha, Libra, is wholeness. Wow, this is the first time I've seen this card. It's never come out for anyone else. So wholeness, and the other card I have here is signs from above. So Libra, are you seeing any signs? Keep a little watch out. Maybe, the angels are trying to catch your attention. Maybe you're hearing songs which remind you of someone, seeing repeating numbers, seeing somebody's name pop up all the time, or read something which reminds you of something. So these are all messages. Maybe you see a butterfly out of the blue. So these are little nudges from the universe trying to catch your attention and trying to point you to finding wholeness. Since this is the first time I've got this card, Libra, just bear with me. I want to read a few lines from here because this will tell you more than I can possibly, tell you. 46. Okay. Just a few lines. Just bear with me here. 46. Okay. Acknowledge the oneness of all life. Recognize that you're a part of something larger. You have a connection here with not only this life and physical body, but with the divine and the universe. Ganesha is guiding you to recognize the sacred truth that you're a divine being here to give and receive love. It's time to recognize your role in this life. You are complete and whole as you are. You lack nothing, and the simplest way to win hearts is through your actions. Yes, Libra, I've been seeing in all your readings you're having trouble, vocalizing your feelings or taking action towards somebody. Green is representative of the fourth chakra, the heart chakra. The heart chakra is the center where we experience love. When the heart chakra is open, you are able to create a safe and supportive, loving environment. When this heart chakra is clear and in balance, you will find compassion for all in life. You may be more empathic. You may be able to see the divine in other people. You will find you are fulfilled and happy because you are fulfilling the divine purpose in service to humanity. Your sense of self is not limited to the ego. Yes, Libra, that's another thing I've been seeing in all your readings. Either you or your partner is holding back because of ego reasons, right? Your consciousness will expand and you realize that to love others is to love yourself because we are all one. This card symbolizes peace. You are asked to take a moment and hold the color green in your heart. You may experience a soothing, relaxing feeling that will bring a sense of renewal and self-control. If you are in need of healing, breathe deeply and affirm your healing. So Okay, so either visualize this beautiful color green, Libra, or you can even go out to the garden and maybe clutch some leaves or some branches and hold them close to your heart, right? So, yes, I have been seeing that, Libra, that you've been a bit afraid of opening up your heart chakra in your last readings. Your ego, your pride, or your fear has been holding back from you expressing what you should, and in because of that you're losing out on love in your life, right? So let's see what the cards have for you and why these cards are here for you today, Libra. Thank you, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, for being so supportive to the channel. I'm very blessed for all your support. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So welcome back, my subscribers. I've already said that. Sorry, I sound like a parrot right now. My mind is still in these two cards. So all I'll say is, if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel, join us. We welcome you in. And if any of you need a private reading, my schedule is open. You can reach me at my email, which is in the description box below. So Libra, Libra, Libra. I'm setting out two sets of cards, newbies. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I have your mutual energy. For the duration of this reading, I will be calling this side person A, this side person B. And in the center, of course, your mutual energies are there. And bottom of my deck, I did see the 10 of Pentacles. So this is something regarding a happily ever after, but I also see a lot of regrets. Maybe you didn't take that chance. Maybe there was an opportunity. Something has failed maybe. But I do see somebody in deep regret, looking at the past, at all the mistakes maybe that were made, and wishing for this, I think. Let's see. So let's start with the energies of person A, Libra. The first card I have here is the Fool in reverse and the Ace of Cups. Somebody is feeling like a fool in love because they were trying to be too controlling, and now here they are sitting sad and depressed and dejected. Very stressed out, Libra, very stressed out. And maybe this was, yes, the matter of equal give and take, or being able to show your love to somebody, or maybe giving to more than one here. Let's see, person B. The World. This person seems to be closing things out here, Libra, dropping the ball altogether, thinking there is no more working together, holding back big time. Let me read the cards out to you as well. So I have the World here, the Two of Pentacles in reverse, Three of Pentacles in reverse, Four of Pentacles upright, Six of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Yes, Libra, there is somebody here who's very upset and angry. Seems like a feminine energy here, Libra. So this could be you, or maybe this side is you. But there is somebody very upset and angry because they feel that somebody kind of played a game on them maybe, or they lost out in this relationship, and there is no more working together. Maybe there was a third party with the Three of Pentacles, and they have kind of from their end dropped the ball altogether and shut this chapter off, or at least trying to. So let's start with the energies of person A and then we move on. So the Fool is in reverse for person A. That's their first card, feeling they did something maybe a little bit foolish here, or maybe feeling like a fool in love, because there is so much love here. There is a lot of love here, but I think with the Emperor in reverse, somebody was trying to be dictatorial, or take control, or control this, how this love would flow, or how this relationship would flow. But Libra, you do know, right? This love is one thing you really can't control. You should not control, and till there is no equal partnership, love can't blossom. So somebody here foolishly thought they could direct the way this relationship would flow. Yes, even though there was a lot of love in this person's heart, person A, I think, who is the masculine here, they, I think, tried to manipulate person B by not showing their emotions or hiding their emotions, so they could, keep a control over how things would flow in this relationship. And that kind of made person B, who I think is the feminine, pull up her sword and say, hey, this is not the way to be. I'm not going to be party to, having a dictator in love. So I'm not going to settle for this kind of behavior. And I think there was a fight where it led to a tower moment. Something blew up here, Libra. I'm sorry. Why does this person feel like the fool spirit? Why does this person feel like the fool? Because luck was on their side. Now they are now realizing that the wheel of fortune was upright. Luck was on their side. Things were moving along pretty well. But and because maybe somebody had either returned back to their life, or there was a chance to go back to this happy place which they always wanted, but because of their own silly behavior, or trying to control it, or trying to, not have clear communication about how, they were not, they wanted their way or the highway. So there was no clarity in communication between the two of you. And that's the reason this tower blew up. So 4 of Cups spirit. 4 of Cups, why is this person sad now? Why are they depressed? Because now they're missing the love. They're missing the Queen of Cups, or the loving, nurturing that they used to receive from this Queen of Cups. I think has been now, this Queen of Cups has turned into this Queen of Swords now. Right? So she is no longer giving to the connection. So now this person is feeling sad, rejected, dejected, and now they realize that, oh my God, this was all my fault. Now they're sitting here in their stress. They don't know how to move forward. They're overthinking the situation now. They are not understanding how I can bring maybe this lovingness back to the relationship. They are unable to make a decision because their eyes are right now, see both the cards, this person has their eyes blindfolded, right, and swords all around them. So they are, I think they've got caught in their own web, like a spider web. They, I think, spread it out to catch this feminine and kind of keep her stuck, but instead of that, the feminine kind of cut herself out of this web that was trying to be laid for them, and pulled themselves out, and instead person A got stuck in their own kind of web of lies. So what's the 6 of Pentacles spirit? 6 of Pentacles. Why is 6 of Pentacles on their mind now? One more. Why is the 6 of Pentacles here? This person A now wants to have a talk. They want to communicate with person B big time. They want to come back as a stable person, not a person who's going to hide their emotions like the King of Cups in reverse or an Emperor in reverse. They want to now show person B that no, I am mature, I am capable, I am willing to take responsibility and have equal give and take in this relationship, and they are willing to do anything. They are thinking, I'm going to go across and offer all this to my queen now, the love, the passion, the security, everything. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to fight for it. And if there is any competition, I'm going to fight for it. So this person is going through every scenario, I think, in their head right now. Self-imposed prison. They are just going round and round in their head. What is going to work? Like, what kind of communication should I go with? They are not understanding how to start this conversation, I think. Should I kind of go and fight for them? Should I go and, nurture them? Should I go with passion? How can I get this partnership back in my life? So this is person A. Now, Libra, this could be you or this could be you. Now, you decide. Who's the person who played that trick and got left behind? Yes, whoever person A is, Libra, is now feeling like this. Now they are feeling abandoned, left out in the cold. They are feeling half, right? Because their other half has now left them and gone, and they really want to feel this wholeness once again. Now we understand, right, why Lord Ganesha gave you this card. So there was a beautiful partnership where you both felt as if when you guys were together, you felt like one. But because of certain things which have happened, it split the two of you, and that's why the sadness and regret and nostalgia is there now. So I think the angels are trying to guide you, Libra. Angels are trying to guide you to kind of find your path back to being whole once again. And maybe that's why you're here today listening to this tarot reading. I don't know, but there is a reason for everything. Let's see person B's energies here. Person B has the World card. I think person B is very upset, very angry. They have kind of given up hope here. They have been healing from this betrayal that they feel that they've had from person A's side. They have been sad as well. But I think they are now kind of coming to that realization that it's time to drop this juggling, going back and forth, not being able to sleep at night. This person has been very troubled after this sudden tower has fallen. It fell for both of you, right? Person A played the game, person B also had the repercussions because they weren't expecting it either. So now this person is finally coming to that place, I think, where they are healing now, and they are coming to that place to say, it's time for me now, from my end, to shut this chapter altogether and not deal with this person who I think has been juggling, who has been juggling, because maybe the game person A was playing was to give that impression to person B that maybe there were third parties, right? Or they were seeing more than one, or maybe other people or other things in their life, could be their work, family, friends, were more important than person B. So if all that was being said, person B has also been in deep regret for having invested in a person like this. They will only believe what they have heard, right? Or what person A has showed them. So now this person B is now thinking, okay, so it's been a while. I've done my crying, I've done my healing. I don't see any working together anymore. So it's time for me to hold back. Yes, there is no way that, this person is ever going to offer me a commitment. Because maybe they have third parties or they have other people, and whenever we come together we end up not working together. So what's the point of even waiting for a commitment with this person? It's best that I hold back now for myself and no longer give to this connection. So Four of Pentacles, Spirit, Four of Pentacles. This person now wants to just be happy in their life. I think they are sick and tired of all this crying and not sleeping and waiting for person A to come back. And this person has realized now that I'm going to now hold back and I'm going to give to myself now. They have the Sun energy and the Seven of Wands, which means that yes, I have not been happy in this relationship. All I wanted was happiness. I didn't ask for much, right? So it's now time for me to hold back and be defensive and hold my energy from getting disrupted. Each time I've gone back, it's only made me unhappy, whereas I've only tried to create some happiness within the relationship. So I'm now going to hold back because it's the fair thing to do. Okay, so that's why this person has now decided to hold back. They felt that they have been embarrassed by person A. Maybe whatever was said and done made person B feel like a loser or embarrassed or humiliated. So it's also given them a lot of anger. Excuse me, Libra. Sorry. So yes, it's also kind of because of this feeling that they've had of feeling like a loser. That's the reason, I think, out of sheer anger, there's a lot of anger here. In anger, this person has now shut this chapter down and saying, I'm no longer going to go back to the way things were anymore. So I have this World card twice for them. I think this person B is already on their way out to start something new for themselves. Six of Wands, Spirit. Why is the Six of Wands here? Yes, they've been healing. Person B has been healing. They have been thinking. They have been in isolation. They have been in hermit mode. They've been trying to get their answers. And now they've realized that if this is not working, then it's time for me to follow my path here and shut this chapter down and maybe, I don't know, maybe they have been in isolation. Maybe they have been in hermit mode. They've been trying to get their answers. And now they've realized that if this is not working, then it's time for me to follow my path here and shut this chapter down and maybe, I don't know, maybe they have been in isolation. Maybe they have been in hermit mode. They've been trying to get their answers. And now they've realized that if this is not working, then it's time for me to follow my path here and shut this chapter down and maybe, I don't know, maybe they have been in isolation. Maybe they have been in hermit mode. They've been trying to get their answers. And now they've realized that if this is not working, then it's time for me to follow my path here and shut this chapter down and maybe, I don't know, maybe they have been in isolation. Maybe they have been in hermit mode. They've been trying to get their answers. And now they've realized that if this is not working, then it's time for me to follow my path here and shut work on my own stability here. Right? This is what I wanted with person A, but if that's not going to happen, I've given it a lot of thought, I've waited, I have been by myself, healing, hoping, wishing, but now I realize that this person is not interested and it's making me angry, right? So I am going to now move on to find stability maybe somewhere else. Queen of Wands spirit, why is this person in the Queen of Wands energy? In reverse. Yeah, see, because they did not they were not offered this. This was your first card, wasn't it? The Ten of Pentacles. So this person feels there is no, absolutely zero possibility of now building on this relationship anymore. All their dreams have been dashed and they are no longer even waiting for them now. That's sad. Okay, let's see your mutual energies here. Six of Cups, the Hermit in reverse, and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so somebody coming back from your past, Libra, or are you going back? There is a soulmate connection, a very strong bond. There is some kind of you're both kind of missing each other, I think. You're both realizing that yes, this was not an ordinary connection, this was a soulmate, this was a connection that should have been nurtured. Somebody wants to come back and have some communication about the injustice that has happened in this relationship. Somebody now wants to take action and talk about it. They want to have clear communication. This could be the masculine Libra in this equation. They have now realized that this is their soulmate, and they're also kind of realizing that whatever has happened wasn't justice, right? Libra, this is your card. So Hermit in reverse spirit. Yeah, somebody wants to have a reunion. I think both of you have been in isolation. Both of you have been away from each other. Both of you have given it a lot of thought. Both sides, I see, have been kind of on their own. And I think heart of hearts, you both want to come out of this isolation now and have a reconciliation and kind of make up. Yes, see, I have the Eight of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles. So somebody or both of you, I think, now want to work on this connection again, Libra. Let's see. One more card, Spirit, for this Three of Cups and the Hermit in reverse. Yes, I think just trying to find your courage. That's the only reason. Or maybe there's a bit of pride here, not knowing how to. Your little bit ego is still there, I think, which is not allowing this reunion. Both of you trying to hold back and pretend that, everything is fine. Maybe both of you are busy kind of in your own work right now, trying to secure your business or trying to keep your mind off. Yeah, Pentacles, Pentacles, Pentacles. I have 3 cards of only Pentacles. Both of you concentrating on work right now. So, Spirit, what about them? Yes, both of you. The second time I have this card of someone returning from your past. So I do feel that there could be a return here, Libra. There could be a return here, somebody coming back with a solid offer, a stable one this time, not a flighty one, wanting now to remove any toxicity which has happened from this relationship, wanting to end a conflict here, wanting to end anything which was disruptive for this relationship. 2 cards of suggesting a soulmate connection in your mutual energies, 3 of Cups, feeling that strong pull and desire to be with your soulmate and wanting to put in the work now to make it a success, right? Trying to find your other half. So this is very, very possible, Libra. If you are the one who has to return or who has done the nasty here, look for signs. You will be shown some. Be very mindful and watch out for the signs. They will direct you back to your other half. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Libra. I hope this worked for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.